Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim Bundesliga mixed version player, one player of the Conductor chapter in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this heroes event and you can directly jump into the Conductor chapters. So all you have to do is playing this notes challenge. There are two skill games and three skill games and two match games that you can play. So after you play this skill game, you can earn or obtain the conductor tokens. After get the conductor tokens, you can open this perceive the music. You can open this hero's reward path. As you can see, I already opened some of the hero's reward, and right now I want to open this Bundesliga mixed version player 84 plus OVR. This is the untradeable players. If you're lucky, you can get one of these player. You can open this pack or heroes reward pack by only 60 a conductor tokens. Let's tap open, and we got a Champions League live player, left back from Portugal, playing Bayern Munchen. We got Guerreiro. Let's see, Rafael Guerreiro, and we got 5 trade here, but there is a negative trade. Injury prone. He is quite versatile in real life. So claim this a heroes reward path. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.